Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the future of indoor gardening in 2025. Let's get started. Imagine stepping into your living room in 2025. The walls are adorned with living, breathing greenery. The air is fresh and clean thanks to the plants purifying the air. The garden is fully automated, with sensors that monitor the plant's health and water them accordingly. The plants are even more efficient, using less water and nutrients than today's plants. They're also more resilient, able to withstand harsher conditions. And let's not forget about the stunning variety of plants available. New species being discovered and cultivated every year. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the future of indoor gardening? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.